Welcome to Sassy Expression, your go-to destination for everything social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our content. Prettidon is concerned about many of the Jamaican artists as of late due to them constantly having a bad time with police officers. Recently, Kraff and Malie Donn was detained, and it now seems to be a trend amongst the young artist. Prettidon sends a strong warning to all of the Jamaican artists. Take a listen.
Let me tell you something, Jamaican artists. You're not targeted by these people, you're not relax on yourself, brother. You see what time them people are pulling over, Kraff, Malie and the whole of you. Forget who you be. Forget Malie. Forget Kraff. Forget all of blood clot that. You hear me I tell you no? Because nobody feel like so they stop on you because they are some big fans of you. And they want autograph from you. And they want a murder, they want murder you. You hear me I tell you no? They want do the things youth. You see the music, them all not sing and rare, you not chop it line and you no friend them a bad man and the police them start to target you as artists now because of the lyrics. You see me? I know when they soon in a traffic stop and them thing them a deal with you now way because them feel like them can do that. You know as the artists them, please me I beg you, just humble yourself. One time them police here stop you know, humble no bumbo clot self. You no see it. Police just want lock you up or shut you up and carry you go fling a jail type of thing, my boy. You understand me? And no ratings them out here so far. Calm down on yourself. One time they stop you. Just one time they stop you, just comply. If them a call you no batty man, batty boy, it no matter. Don't follow them up. Don't bother because you don't know so now artists. Just allow them, make them do them thing, man. You see me? Because at the end of the day, in the eyes of the system, them right and uno wrong. You see me? Humble yourself one time them go some woman stop on no man. You see me? Because some of my time, you not gyrate up on yourself and I make it all worse for yourself and then don't no rate on already. You see me I deal with? You not learn to calm down that thing there. When they stop on just comply the best as anybody who know in the background and make them know say, yo, make it law man them do them job man. Anything when man them say I could just go and work with that, you see me? No only for hype, no only for nothing. All if I know you are the problem, then we make you be the problem. You feel me I deal with? Because this is the system. So all with that you're right, then we make you wrong. I saw you things set. You see pre. So you see what time they stop you, just humble yourself. Anything when you pussy them say, just say, alright then. Alright, officer. Don't pussy them up. Don't cuss them off. No have nothing to say. Just if they stop you, yes, officer. What the reason for you stop today? Tell you the reason for you stop today. I say, alright then, officer. If it's a ticket, it's a ticket. No gyrating, no nothing, no rare. Even if you think him have a reason to pull you over, just comply. Just comply because at the end of the day, we see whole heap of artists that jail and we see whole heap of artists I get targeted by police. We don't like it as the fans them. But only thing we can tell you as we artists them, humble. We don't see the game we play already. We don't see that them a do already. We don't see them a target you already. We don't see them no rate you. One time them do what them a do, just go say, alright then. Everything man. Do your thing, officer. Ray, Tay. Nobody in no argument with them. Nobody in no cussing and no quarrel with them. Just make them do their job and go on. If you think say them pull you over wrongfully, alright. Go to the station, deal with that, get your lawyer. Deal with that. Nobody in no war or fight with them. Because you soon see them start to shoot the artists, them boy. You see me? And I say, yo, artists always a gyrate pan them and Ray and Tay and a drag. You have to, you know? Calm down, because we love you as the artists, them and want so no out here. I do nothing. You see me? No matter who, everywhere in the world, you know, go artists have the government to target them. You rapper them up here too. You have to just know yourself, my boy. Comply with them and nobody in no argument with them. Just make them do them thing. Because at the end of the day, them still are going to do what them a do. Them are going to violate, you know. Them are going to call you know, out on the name. Them are this, you know. Yeah, I just saw the thing said. I'm not telling you, say, police, they're right. I mean, I tell you, say, sit that what they're supposed to be do. But it's better than for you lose, you know, brother. You feel me, I deal with? One time they stop, you know. Just, you say, what you say, officer? That, all right then. Man, no only for long talk. I swear to God. Yeah, man, because we are soon a day, man. No joke. You see me? Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Selamat ulang tahun.
Pamputtae is creating waves in the music industry with her latest performance at a mind-blowing concert with Nicki Minaj in Canada. She was a special guest at Nicki Minaj Pink Friday tour, and she did not disappoint the crowd with her Jamaican vibe. Congratulations, Pamputtae, and continue to follow your dreams.
Y'all, guess who blessed us with her presence tonight in Gagg City? It is none other than Pamputtae from the fine motherfucking 9.
That is it.
Okay. And so Pamputtae, well, first of all, shout out to Toronto.
Yeah.
And what you up to in Toronto, boo?
Well, I don't know, Pamputtae doing some videos, kicking back with Nicki, and always I put in the work. Yeah.
What songs did you perform tonight?
Come me say, art girl, pat your pussy girl, call your money. Pat up the body man, a fishing and the money, a lot of pussy this and if you get it, you're lucky. Tony side we a cocky to Pam Bucky. Pam and Nicki and we na fucky. Bubble we a bubbly as up. Shake it up and make your body go sir.
RT Boss and Miss Bling has been on a roller coaster ride because TikTok lawyer allegedly started a feud between the two. They both have some disrespectful remarks about each other, and things are not looking good for both. Unity is strength, but from the looks of things, this friendship does not seem to be mending anytime soon.
You say RT, you can't do that. Then woman can't be RT, you tell
blood clot me stand on nobody.
RT, no, already cup over fully. And somebody can't be friend of you do that. 5,000 odd people plus people who depend on fire you say and the woman a friend RT. You're supposed to support the woman now what you do RT. You're not supposed to do that.
Go suck your mama. Blinga do not okay. Go suck your mother. Fuck you and one person can't shake me. Go suck up Bling water so a pussy. Where be a party man a play in a
stop it. RT, stop it.
Accept me.
RT, stop it. Stop it,
Okay?
RT.
Accept me. Come on, go like blood clot being a good girl. Won't not tell her that she shameful and disgrace from police days of the glory. Police are going mad. Police can't mad me. I show me how me disappointed. You disappointed.
We're not stopping, man. People want to life. People don't like to have the same one. Stop it, man.
You want this and kill it.
This is boy like for you. Stop it. Stop.
No young girl not to look up to you.
Stop it.
Fuck you.
No disrespectful.
You miserable blood clot. Every other 2 weeks, you're not you should have been fucking shit.
We don't need to hear that. Stop it.
Police, you have problem with everybody. Why you get? You get it. You big nasty blood clot. Because listen people, you say because me look bad. You say because it look like I still me look beside. You want the dirty auntie one. You want the nasty auntie one. You want the auntie with pussy classy. Me look bad. So me care what she blood clot. Big nasty blood clot. Fuck it up with me. It's not you never want you can't feel in this land.
All me say a lawyer make them the right
right One policeman win. Remember, Big up police. Big up police. listen. I don't have any problem with the police, darling.
Archie,
You talk
please
about
stop.
it.
You have problem with
I
police.
don't have no problem with police because I don't want to fuck you big and
Archie,
stink
we are
and
your
5
people.
million.
Okay, you're not big
Darling,
enough
bitch.
to stink over there.
Me no fuck woman with 5
So
tummy.
why you worry about my pussy?
You look like a... I ain't worry about your pussy. Me I tell you that your pussy clean.
You don't worry about the kids.
Your pussy clean. You're collecting blood clot money your mind. Why?
You can't program the girl, so that's your problem.
Yeah, man, the man that have gun with the people and money.
Program the girl,
You waste a gun, man. You know that.
program the
But
girl,
gunman don't like
you
you,
program
bitch.
every blood clot, but you
Nigga, can you just stop?
Bitch, there's nothing for bring down in a long time. Because you're not going to find everybody.
You want go
Come on, find like you program your blood clot cells. You're miserable of blood clot.
Miss Bling.
You can't do it with that. You're going for $30,000 for your school fee and a $30,000 you get out of me. Just stop your moment, please. $30,000 for your The reason why I'm paying $30,000 for your school fee, girl, because I'm care about you. But you're not here about love, bitch. Only you people man a fuck out in the world and not do nothing. So you're not alive.
I see this one.
You're not alive. You come go like your blood clots, Maddie. You're not alive. Me argue we win and win. Bumbo clock you walk from this woman, girl. I talk your mother, me will fuck it. Me will fuck it. Big and what this blood clot.
Miss Blinga, just in your life. So
You
this
big and what this no blood clot.
Mr. Post to what, miss?
Me not hear you. You're echo.
You know the big and what is in your own.
Me not hear you. You're echo 54.
You have to take me down.
No, turn the next book. I will not finish the course. You have angry with the echo.
Take me down.
Slide up the screen and push it up back. Commercial break. Unmute now. Unmute now. Your blood clot.
You not hear me?
Yes, start now.
Me tired of you.
Tired of your blood clot.
Tired of your bumble
The
rasta.
people them want it, so we give them blood
Me
clot.
don't give nobody know me serious. Me
You
tired
don't
of
give
you.
a fuck a ass.
Listen me. I'm so serious talking to you right now.